we are constructing the complete metro system. Say it essentially consists of large number of civil works where will be erecting the viaducts, all the elevated stations, the track and the station buildings. That is one major part of the civil work. In addition to this, say we will be procuring our rolling stock systems. We are going to purchase a 25 kV AC metro system which will work on 25 kV. Will have 3 coaches with 2 motor coaches and 1 trailer coach in the composition of the metro train. Along with that metro cars, we will have a 25 kV electrical distribution system which will give the power supply to these metros. Thirdly, we will have a complete signaling system which is a state-of-the-art system called communication-based train control, which will be supplied to us by some company which is having a sort of excellent setup to supply us those systems. In addition to this, we will have a telecom system which will be where we will have sort of passenger information system, passenger display system, all sort of announcement system at the platforms. Say most of our tenders are being awarded based on a design, development and commissioning system. So obviously these works are largely likely to go to some very big vendors like L&T Infra, Tata, or maybe some international firms like Alstom, Bombardier, Siemens, etc. In our tender documents itself, we have identified certain items which we propose to get developed through Indian sources. We have put a list in our tender documents. The same list has been put on our website also. Fine, that looks very attractive, but then there are difficulties in getting those things indigenized. Personally speaking, I find it an area of great concern that there are so many expectations associated with this metro project that we should do something for the greater empowerment of the industry in Nagpur along with the development of the metro. Sometimes I find that it is more difficult to achieve that growth level rather than to run the metro. My first request to you all will be that don't think in terms of supplying us a product by asking us to accept your product the way you are manufacturing it. It is an opportunity for you to grow, to diversify, to modernize, to offer us a product as per our requirement. And if you are able to do so, then sky is a sort of limit for you. There are large number of metros which are coming. It has been discussed many a times, and you will have many more opportunity. So instead of just trying to make your product fit into a requirement, look at our requirement from our point of view, and then come to us. We are absolutely open to us. We will transparently discuss whatever you want to do, but then you will have also to come forward for us to reach you. It may not be possible for us to accept all your products, but then there are opportunities in almost every field. That is one thing. Then secondly, as was discussed by Mr. Pandey also, like construction of the metro is not the end. There are large number of service sector industries which will come up as the metro work progresses, as the metro starts to run in over here. There will be a large requirement of spares and associated services. We plan to outsource a lot of maintenance activities also to Indian people rather than going to the OEM, etc. So there's a large time available, but then the perspective of your expectations should also be somewhat large. Don't expect that everything will start coming to you in a month or in a year. Rather, if you are patient enough, you can acclimatize yourself, suit yourself to a requirement, discuss out the things with you, and then work for a long-term benefit. So this is the basic background which I wanted to tell you before we start with the question and answer session. I'll be I'll try to answer all the questions that you have. Thank you.
we know what is the setup you are having here in Nagpur and what all things you are importing from outside now?
See, as I told you that we don't have any setup. We are not manufacturing anything over here. We are not designing anything over here. We are framing out the specification, and almost all the tenders are basically design and build tenders. So, say for example, let's take a case of rolling stock. We ask the manufacturer that you give us a 3-coach train which will run at 80 kmph, which will have all these facilities. So he will basically design all the electrical systems, the transformer, the traction motors, the lighting system, the wheels, etc., and as per our requirement. So we also don't know as to what is going to be the final design. He will finalize the design, discuss with us, and then after having finalized the design, the coach will be manufactured. But there may be certain items in that process where you can supply us the items. Maybe you can build up along with us and then supply those items as spares to us at a later date.
Sir, you have established a lot of metros all over India. So I suppose you must have standardized your requirements, your machines, etc. So do you have a firm specification or it will vary from place to place?
Vary from place to place.
So we manufacture coated products like galvanized, and color coated. So there will be requirement of this obviously for barricading and roofings and making dome shapes for all architectural applications. And we have our unit just 30 kilometers from here at Kalmeshwar. So we are looking forward that we should be a part of we need to have discussion so that we will meet, and we are the unique one. We are the unique one who have all certifications. We go as per quality management system. We have environment management system, energy management system in place, OSAS management system in place. All whatever there in world, we have all system in place, and we manufacture the product as per all international standards and as per our all BIS specifications. Nothing there is missing, and we are largest manufacturer of coated products. So we would like to have this fruitful discussion with regard to supply of this material. So it's just 30 kilometers from here. That is it. Thank you. Yeah.
You are making it as per international standard. There's no doubt about it. Maybe you should come forward. We can discuss out how your product can be useful to us, whether our specifications are really asking for those items which you are manufacturing. But I see an opportunity, yes, no doubt.
To manufacture as per your requirement.
So that is precisely the sort of discussion which has to be carried out. We are in no position to know like who are the people, like there can be areas like in say casting, forging, even supplying us many fittings etc. for traction system. So we can always encourage you to come forward and tell us your business interest. Then we can tell you these are the items which go ahead.
My pinpointing question is, I have got suppose a setup completely manufacturing unit, and I can modify also the design whatever you provide to us, so we can manufacture as per your design also. So whether you have got that system or the policy as we are going to encourage such people also.
Very difficult for us to commit anything because as I told you that most of the equipments are being purchased based on design and purchase. So first a big firm like maybe L&T or Siemens, they will come forward, they will design equipments, items, assemblies for us, and then the manufacturing portion will have to be done through them. That will be the point where maybe if we have done interaction earlier, then we can find the opportunities where you can also fit in. But we will be having a general idea as to which are the areas, what sort of facilities will be required for manufacturing those items.
Then don't you feel that it is not going to benefit the local people who are interested to come up in and join this venture?
No, not at all.
Because those names you have given, they will be in dictating terms because they have got the monopoly. So how the local people are going to encourage?
Let me explain, sir. Actually, this is what is being done. This is ensure that there is element of proper design, quality, time-bound compliances and all that. These multinationals and big giants. But it doesn't mean that we local entrepreneurs would not have opportunities. We will, our requirements instead of, our services, instead of being handled directly by the Nagpur Metro, would get centralized with those respective, you can say, EPC contractors. You see, they would be taking the overall accountability for, on turnkey basis, to give them the equipment and the supplies. So we will have to go through them, but as Mr. Mathur has rightly said, we will have to, we'll have all the opportunities to understand, for my industry, what kind of opportunities would be there, and as and when those contracts get finalized, we line up through them. Am I right, sir?
Who is the overall project management consultant for this project? EMC consultant is not there. So all the modules has been modules has been allocated on an EPC basis and a different in the different sections.
At present, we have consultant of various individual sectors like signaling and telecom, rolling the stock, track, etc. We are very shortly going to have a general consultant appointed by us. It will be either DB, which is a sort of you can say German railway, or RITES.
So they will be your general consultant, general project management consultant. Okay. And
For general engineering and management consultant who will be monitoring the project, doing design and engineering for your product, for your requirement. Is there any scope?
Design point of view, there is no scope because the overall contract design will be done by the one person who gets the work awarded. Project management, for project management also general consultant acts as a project management.
All monitoring and control will be done by them.
Is it that Nagpur Metro is somewhere involved into an engineering surveillance? All your technology items you are buying it from an foreign vendors or maybe
Not yes, 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 yes. Hmm. 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 The general consultant acts as a third party. They are specialist engineers which have a very wide experience of having worked with metro systems here in India as well as abroad. Further, financing agencies who are giving us money, they also ensure that whatever design, drawing, etc. are there are up to the standard and have been done impartially.
general project management consultant itself is an engineering surveillance contractor.
They must study all the designs, they approve the designs, then only those designs are accepted. All the design, yes. Review and approval.
Sir, I am Varshney from Sanviya Group, Nagpur, sir. We are one of the leading rolling mills situated at Nagpur, sir. So while you are saying that you will award a contract to EPC, unless you approved as a sub-vendors, how we can approach EPC contractor to supply our items, sir?
Contracts, because the selection of the material, the selection of design is with the EPC contractor. we are not knowing what are the characteristic of the material that he is planning to use. There may be different type of materials, different design criteria which he may work upon. But still, if you are sure of your product, you can always approach those EPC contractors along with your product. There are ways and methods to get your product approved at that time also.
No, but we have already applied, sir, for the vendor approval with you, sir. Until unless we got the approval for particular item, how we can approach EPC contractors, sir?
Approval for the sub-vendors is item by item for each EPC contractor. If your product is suitable to the EPC contractor, he can always propose it to us, and we can approve it. Even if we approve you as a supplier of one particular item, we never know whether that particular item is going to be used by that EPC contractor or not.
So,
yes?
Sorry to interrupt, but what you mean to tell us is that first of all we need to go to the EPC contractor to get us approved, or do we have to get approved by you first and then we have to approach the EPC contractor?
We are doing some approvals. We will have certain panel with us, and appropriate time we may suggest to EPC contractor. But your material has to fall in design requirements of that design which the EPC contractor has made. So there cannot be any commitment at this stage. But then again, we are very sure that there are large number of products which can be utilized by the EPC contractor. We'll have to wait for that and need not be so circumspect as to what is going to happen in future.
So initially we have to go through EPC contractors, and then at a later stage when you approve
We
us.
are also doing vendor registration, so
Mhm.
at appropriate time we can also tell the EPC contractor that you can try these items, these are the capability available in the city.
Mhm.
That is why we are interacting with you at this stage, so that we interact, we know your capabilities and you know our requirement. At the moment we are talking in very general terms, but maybe if we start interacting in smaller groups, or maybe if we can interact in a way that where we discuss only civil engineering item or electrical engineering item, then maybe the things can be discussed in more fineness and detail, where we can also at a later date suggest that these are the capabilities which are available in the city, and you start using the product of the city itself.
Thank you.
Arjun Constructions. Other than that, as and when the contracts are awarded, all the details will be available on our site. Contracts are yet to be awarded. I'll again say, as and when the contract awarded, you will come the very next day, because we will be posting it on our site.
Plan having such conferences or gatherings with your EPC contractors, so that the local vendors or the local sub-vendors, local subcontractors, local service providers.
That's a very good idea. We have really not thought of it. We can certainly think of doing that.
It will be certainly a good avenue for local contractors or local vendors to have any contact with the EPC contractors. Now, basically, EPC contractors have been tied up with many of their subcontractors, which is been there with them for many of the previous projects. So, adding a new contractors or subcontractors or sub-vendors into a time-bound project where the cost schedule and the quality is already being decided into the tenders. So, and their tendering or their quotation is with respect to those subcontractors. Adding a new vendor or local vendor is really difficult or a little challenging for us.
No, I do not agree with you. From my experience, I can tell you, you have to be on merits. You see, and we can always ensure that when it comes to giving preferences, everything being at par. Obviously, for logistic reasons, for inspection, for post supply services and things of that sort, anybody would prefer a local person. You see, so if you stand on merits and we are at par on merits, there is no reason why we would be ignored there. And after all, as you just rightly suggested, those interactions we can always ensure that we are projected properly. That will be required, and we would earnestly request Nagpur Metro officials to work out a mechanism whereby majority of the vendors get an opportunity to interact and try to know more about things and maybe technical details or terms, conditions, and those kind of things. Yes, that is what, dear sir, this is a humble beginning we are making. We would love to do that. We would love to do that. This is, after all, that is our job as an association. That will also reduce their burden. You see, that will also reduce their burden because they have, as I was told by Mr. Dixit also, and Mr. Mathur is also, they have a very skeleton structure, very nuclear structure they have. So we will try and facilitate that, and maybe we'll support that and ensure that there will be good opportunity for all the entrepreneurs of this region to interact with their EPC contractors or maybe their experts and things like that. Yeah, we commit you. We are. We will do our best to break that resistance. We will do our best to break.
Leadership can influence and we can interact.
We assure you that kind of.
Mr. Mathur, here is an important question. How much time NMRCL would take for a vendor registration?
Vendor registration prior to the award of the contract?
No, you are registering, you are approving some vendors. So how much time do you take for that vendor approval?
Actually, we are approving the vendor as per our requirement.
Okay.
Right now we are at the construction stage of the metro. So we need the product related to the this construction related product, project related, like cement, है ना, TMT bars और जो chemical होते हैं, जो concrete admixtures and other, in electrical में cable वगैरह हैं और उसमें SNT में भी cables item हैं, panel हैं, distribution selected items right now required, है ना, and other items some जैसे
I am asking this question.
electronics items वगैरह वो अभी जरूरत नहीं है. So we are approving the vendor as per our requirement. Product हमारे उसमें line
That is true. That is true. Why I am asking this question is.
Administrative process time.
No. I am not interested in knowing the process. Why I am asking this question to you is that my information is that you are taking about a month for the approval. This is a too much long time. Can you cut it down?
अभी हमारा जो है कौन सा प्रोडक्ट जरूरत है उस हिसाब से हम लोग जा रहे हैं. जो प्रोडक्ट का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है वो हम अभी
That is obvious. That is obvious.
है ना. जैसे हमारे पास कुछ फर्नीचर के आए हैं, वेंडर आए हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल जैसे इसके इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम जैसे AC हो गया, कूलर हो गया, स्टेशनरी आइटम हो गया, वो हमारे पास अभी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है. रिक्वायरमेंट इसकी आएगी आफ्टर रनिंग ऑफ मेट्रो. जब हमारा ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस स्टार्ट होगा देन वी नीड सच ए वेंडर. अभी वी नीड वेंडर ओनली रिलेटेड टू कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल, प्रोजेक्ट मटेरियल, और उसमें हम लोग जो है एज पर जो है क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट उनका क्या है, वेदर दे आर अप्रूव्ड ISO सर्टिफाई हैं, BIS हैं कि नहीं, है ना. अगर वो अदर मेट्रो में है, इवन नागपुर में है, अगर अदर मेट्रो में है तो वी आर टेकिंग एज इट इज.
अगर साहब क्वालिटी पैरामाउंट है इसमें कोई शक नहीं.
दूसरा उदय मेरी बात सुनिए ना.
मेरा सिंपल क्वेश्चन ये है.
तो
आप एक महीना ले रहे हैं ये सही है?
नहीं, हम अभी उसमें नहीं है. जो हमारे क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट आएगा जो हमारे नीड के हिसाब से रहेगा वो हम लोग कर रहे हैं अभी. जो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, जो हमारे नीड के हिसाब से नहीं है, वो अभी हम लोग उसको प्रायोरिटी नहीं दे रहे हैं.
How much time will you take?
we have to actually आपको quality product मेट्रो में आपको quality product लगाना है ना.
For example,
हाँ,
जो item
we have to we have
मेरा मतलब आर यू गोइंग टू डू इट फास्टर? आप उसको फास्टर करेंगे कि ये सवाल है?
नहीं इसमें वो फास्टर हो रहा है. We have a 4-member committee and they are doing this.
How many days? Because usually.
Sir, you have said that you are approving the contractors or sub-vendors for your need of TMT and structural steel, sir. But so far we have not received any approval from you, sir. We are the one of the largest manufacturer in this central India, sir.
वो हम लोग देख रहे हैं whether ये हमारे सूट कर रहा है वो quality product because we have so many branded products in TMT. जैसे हमारे पास ये लिस्ट है, एक लिस्ट है हमने we have already finalized the list of TMT bar. We have so much.
Because you need, sir, supporting beams also for your bridges and everything. We manufacture it as per.
पास जो है जैसे इसके TMT बार के काफी सारे हैं हमारे जो अप्रूव्ड वेंडर हैं. जैसे ये टाटा और काफी सारे हैं इसमें जो है मैं बता.
नहीं, टाटा तो आपका प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर हो गया सर. इट इज नॉट इन विदर्भा सर.
तो
लोकल में नहीं है ना सर.
एसएमएस के लिए क्या?
हाँ हम लोग एज पर जो ब्रांडेड देख रहे हैं क्वालिटी कैसा है क्या है उस हिसाब से.
नहीं, क्वालिटी वी आर ISO 9000 कंपनी एंड वी आर ऑल BSI लाइसेंस विद अस सर.
तो पीरियड हम कम कर सकते हैं. हमको जब जो EPC कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है वो देता है तो एक ओवरऑल हम टाइम बाउंड मैनर में चल रहे हैं प्रोजेक्ट के, तो उसमें टाइम नहीं लगता. और दूसरी चीज आप 1 महीने को ज्यादा नहीं समझें. अगर उस प्रोसेस के बाद में यहाँ पे उस प्रोडक्ट को ले लेते हैं, अगर इस प्रोडक्ट को इस शुरू में ठीक से समझ लिया जाए, क्योंकि अगर ब्रांडेड प्रोजेक्ट हो तो कुछ अलग हो जाती है. बट इफ इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ SME, then maybe many times you have to visit the firm also to see that all the facilities or the testing thing are okay or not. So I don't think that 1 month is.
Part of the quality. I don't doubt that. That is part of the quality. लेकिन
let's try to make it work so that we can develop the vendors from the city.
at the best 10 days में होता है. Are you going to cut down that period to 10 days?
I'm not sure we will review, but I'll still request that let's concentrate on the final outcome. जी.
February, with all the documents for registration of Bajaj Steel, in TV, pre-engineering building, electrical panels. Presently, you are requiring the electrical panels. Still, you have not got anything from.
Yes.
But sir, you are requiring steel for it, and we are making structural sections, not TMT, structural sections also. But for that also, we haven't received any, not even a confirmation, but we haven't received any. And there has not been. You haven't even conversed with us yet on that matter, and then not even what do you require from us on approvals.
I'll try to improve our feedback system with you, so that we are at least on the same platform. अगर आपको यही नहीं पता चलेगा हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, तो वो सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी की चीज़ है. We'll look into it, we'll improve.
One thing is there, if you have just told that interaction meetings will be there, then this problem will not come. And the local manufacturers, vendors will give best services to you, as well as the quality. The companies are already approved by international organizations, so you have not to worry, because they are also worried about their business. At the same time, the cost-wise also it will be economical to you. So best thing is we should have this type of interactions, so the result will be good.
We are also very concerned that we should do better, and that is why we have asked you all to come and interact with us, so that we also develop some new ideas as to how to do it. We are absolutely open to this. What we are asking you is to give us a product as per our specification, fine. And if there are areas where we need you to build it up, that also we will share transparently with you. Yes, yes.
Your visit to our factory just to see what we are manufacturing at our factory. Absolutely well.
steel fibers.
My name is Shahzad Dungaji, and we are manufacturers for steel fiber in the entire country. Steel fibers for reinforcement. Not TMT bar. It is a part of TMT. It can be used